Hey everyone, Joellen here, and welcome to Portrait Painting and Drawing class. Here is a self-portrait by American painter Gilbert Stuart. You may or may not be familiar with Gilbert Stuart, but I think he is one of the most recognized painters of our time. Gilbert Stuart was born December 3rd, 1755 in North Kingston, Rhode Island. He was known for his lively conversation and great wit, which would sometimes get him into trouble. He was a prolific portrait painter, and he painted this guy. Yes, George Washington. So this is how you know Gilbert Stuart. Not only did Gilbert Stuart paint George Washington, but he went on to paint the next 5 presidents. I've had the good fortune to see many of his works in person, including Sarah Morton and Russell Sturgis. What fascinates me with both of these portraits is Gilbert Stuart's use of color for the skin tones. Gilbert Stuart was ahead of his time. He gracefully captured the unique expression of the individual. I find I'm mesmerized by the subtle shifts of warm and cool skin tones. For my demonstration, I thought it would be fun to draw this portrait of Russell Sturgis. Here is a list of my materials. Working on Stonehenge paper, I'll first establish the size of my drawing. I'll find the middle point and its relationship to the eyes. I'll draw a line representing the tilt of the head. And then from there I'll block in the shape of the eye on the left. The eyes are normally one eye apart, and I'll use my dividers to get that exact measurement. I'll place in the ridge of the eyebrow along with the side of the nose and the bottom plane of the nose. I'll block in the other eyebrow and then measure to get the exact placement of the lower part of the jaw. I'll add in the part of the mouth and then work the shapes of the lips. I'll make an approximated guess to where I see the outside of the face. I'll continue to measure to get the hairline. Using comparative measuring, I'll establish the placement of the earlobe. I'll clean up my lines and reinforce the shapes. Once I'm happy with my overall outline, I'll establish the shadow shapes. Next, I'll lightly shade them in, including the irises and the eyebrows. Portraiture is fussy, and sometimes it's about a 64th of an inch, so I'm continually checking my measurements. I'll soften my drawing and my shading with a cotton cosmetic pad. It's hard not to get caught up in the details, and here I'll continue to darken and find smaller details and areas within the eye. I love using my kneaded eraser to retract and pull up any graphite. Just like this music is being played with a lot of feeling, sometimes when I draw or paint, I paint with a lot of feeling too. As I move into the final stages of finishing this piece, there are really no words that can describe this. It's just done merely with my feeling of what I need to do. Start to finish, this drawing took me approximately 1 hour to complete. I hope you enjoyed watching my demonstration and learning about Gilbert Stuart. If you would like to see more content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.